Oh, I guess this is technically a crypto story, but this is about Jack Dorsey auctioning his first tweet as digital art.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know if you saw this or heard about it.
I think over the weekend, right?
Yeah, he put up his first tweet, which says the tweet was just setting up my Twitter, TWTTR, the shortened form of Twitter. At the time, you were using Twitter over SMS. Mm-hmm. Nobody remembers this. It was March 21st, 2006. That is so crazy. That's the first
at
tweet.
Like what? South by Southwest?
The first tweet, 2006. Wow, man.
Yeah.
Anyway, so jumping on the NFT hype, it's like, why don't we just sell the very first tweet as an NFT, non-fungible token? Why don't we just do that? And so he shared a link to the, I guess, auction. That was on Friday afternoon. And the highest offer at the time of this article was $2.5 million. That was at Saturday afternoon. We should probably click the link right now because I'm guessing it might be higher than $2.5 million at the moment.
So this is the first tweet.
That's it. That is the
just setting up my Twitter.
That's it.
Jack.
3:50 p.m. March 21st, 2006. I mean, it's got a lot of action on it. Look at all the replies.
Yeah.
Which makes sense. It's the first tweet ever.
Where's the link?
NFTs are exploding in popularity across this variety of places in which they can be listed. They didn't post a link over here. You're going to have to Google it. But you can just type first tweet NFT. He posted it on his Twitter account, but I feel like that would take you longer to go and click through to it. Uh-oh. It's all news instead of the actual link. One of them has to link the actual auction. No? No? Are you certain about this? Then I'm going to have to simultaneously... Oh, you know what? They did link it. Because if you go up and then click share to tweet, that will bring you at least to the tweet which has the link. Isn't this tremendously riveting content right here? There we go. So it is sitting at 2.5 million still. The highest offer is 2.5 million from Sina Estavi. That is the CEO of Bridge Oracle. But I don't know, what is the time limit on this? Does it say? Counteroffer must be a minimum increase of $1 or 10%, whichever is more. It doesn't look to have a time limit. Does it hit a threshold or... Yeah, it doesn't say. Someone's going to let us know in the comments how he managed it. But the weird thing is he didn't really announce it in a formal kind of way, did he? It was just, I think Jack Dorsey just posted the link and that's it. Yeah, he did. You got to know what it's about. That's how cool it is, Will.
Yeah, very new age.
Yeah, it was just a link. He didn't really explain the time limit on the auction. I don't know. Does it hit a certain number? I don't know. Anyway, point being is it seems that anything can be an NFT, Will.
Yeah.
Anything. Even the next thing you say right now.
Okay.
NFT.
Yeah.